Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let's have a look at the headlines. US President Donald Trump is expected to visit Pakistan on September 18. Dozens stranded in Jhelum Chakwal floods as army leads rescue efforts. Rawalpindi, Islamabad record 168mm rainfall amid continuous downpour. Hassan Ali breaks silence on exclusion from Bangladesh series. Actress Humaira Asghar's death, parents suspect murder. Let's look into details. US President Donald Trump is expected to visit Pakistan on September 18 during his upcoming tour of South Asia. Sources said, according to diplomatic sources, Trump is planning visit to both Pakistan and India as part of his regional engagements. India is scheduled to host the Quad Leaders Summit in September, during which Trump is likely to visit New Delhi. Sources added that Trump may make a brief stop in Pakistan either en route to India or on his return. The Pakistan Army has launched an extensive rescue operation after torrential monsoon rains triggered flash floods in Jhelum and Chakwal, leaving dozens of people, including women and children, stranded in submerged areas. More than 40 residents of Dhogbadir, a low-lying village in Jhelum, were trapped after flood water from Burhan Nala entered the settlement on Thursday. According to local officials, a military-led emergency response, including helicopter evacuations and ground assistance, was immediately initiated. So far, 10 people have been rescued and shifted to safer locations. Continuous rainfall has been recorded across Rawalpindi and Islamabad, with the twin cities receiving a total of 168mm of rain, according to the meteorological department. The highest rainfall recorded in Kachehri with 237mm, followed by Gawal Mandi at 234mm and Kataria at 220mm. Pir Vadhai received 200mm and Shamsabad 162mm of rain. In Islamabad sector, H8 recorded 158mm of rainfall. Pakistan fast bowler Hassan Ali has said he has informed well in advance that he wouldn't be part of the ODI series against Bangladesh, but he is still unaware of the exact reason behind his exclusion from the national squad. Hassan expressed contentment with the team management decision, saying he doesn't want to dwell on the past. I don't know the reason for not returning to the ODI team. The team management did what they thought was best. After the mysterious death of actress Humaira Asghar, her parents have broken their silence, stating that they do not consider the incident to be merely an accident, but rather suspect that their daughter was murdered. They also rejected the impression that they had disowned their daughter or that she was facing financial difficulties. Humaira's father, Dr. Asghar, said in an interview that it is not true. They refuse to claim their daughter's body. As soon as the legal procedures were completed, I sent my son to Karachi to receive the body. We were only informed by the police after relatives made contact, he said. That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and don't forget to watch our channels DTV NN and Desi Urdu TV.
Neurological care is a pressing healthcare challenge in Pakistan. That's why Helping Hand USA is building Kind R, a world-class hospital with 130-plus clinics that is set to establish new standards for neurological care in Pakistan. As the first phase nears completion, anticipation is growing for the launch in the second half of 2025. Give zakat and sadaqah through Helping Hand USA today and join this historic endeavor to redefine future healthcare in Pakistan.